In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do lead scoring in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, consistent scoring model so your team can focus on the most qualified contacts. First, open your browser, head to your preferred search engine, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Make sure you have the right permissions to manage lead scoring. If you don't, you may need an admin to grant access. Once you're in, move your cursor to the left-hand sidebar and locate the Marketing section. From there, find and open Lead Scoring. If your layout looks a little different, use the platform's search bar to look up Lead Scoring and jump straight in. On the Lead Scoring page, choose Start from Scratch. This creates a clean slate so you can define exactly how points are awarded and deducted based on your business rules. You'll then be asked to choose how you'd like to score. Think in terms of two buckets: behaviors that show intent and profile attributes that show fit. When you're set, click Create to open the builder. Now you're ready to start building your score. A quick tip before you add anything: decide what a good score looks like for your team. For example, you might consider what threshold should qualify a lead for outreach. Having that target in mind will keep your criteria focused. In the builder, you can add an event group or a property group. Use an event group for engagement signals, like page views, form submissions, email clicks, or webinar registrations. Use a property group for demographic or firmographic signals, like industry, job title, company size, or lifecycle stage. Keep criteria specific so you don't double count the same action in multiple places. Next, add an object. Most lead scoring models are built on contacts, but you can also reference related objects such as companies or deals if your process calls for it. After that, select a property. Pick the field that represents the signal you want to evaluate, for example, country, job title, or number of page views. Then select an operator that matches your logic, such as is equal to, contains, is greater than, or has completed at least X times. Set values and thresholds that reflect real buying intent rather than casual browsing. When your criteria look good, click Save. You can revisit and refine your scoring over time as you learn which signals best predict conversion. That's it. You've set up lead scoring in HubSpot, giving your marketing and sales teams a consistent way to prioritize high-quality leads